Hello guys, in today's video Valentine nails art and I will create a French with hearts. Okay, so I already prepped my nails and I already filed it gently with a block file, and now I actually will clean them with some cleaner. First I have to apply some base, and I will use this Flexi base of Stars from the Stars, which is absolutely one of my favorite because it's a very good base. I will apply a thin layer on all the surface of my nail. And then without drying the first thin layer, I will layer up a little bit. I will add a little bit of product in there to make a little bit of like more of an arch. And don't forget to close the free edge. And this base is great because she's self-leveling and not going anywhere. So here we go, all my nails are done. I dry it in the lamp, and this is the new entry for me in this video, which is like a new product. I never tried the Mylee, and I will try the Mylee Stand By Me, which is this bubblegum pink that I choose for this set. And I really like the fact that we have on the bottle the color, and that's how the bottle look like. They're like 10 millimeters, which is a pretty large bottle. And here in the back I checked if you have instruction of how long you have to dry it, but there are not actually. That's how the color look like, and it's a beautiful pink. It's like it's a typical bubblegum pink, taking consideration that is a little bit warmer tone from the camera, so in real it's a little bit colder tone. So just taking consideration like the typical bubblegum color, that's how the color look like. And I applying a first layer, and also I basically check and see for the first time how this color, this product, this brand product look like. I would say that this is like a medium consistency. It's not too thick, it's not too liquid. And this is how to look like after one layer. I dry it in the lamp for 60 seconds to make sure, because I couldn't find on the package how long I should dry it, so for safety reason I dried 60, and then I applied the second layer, and that's how it looked like after 2 layers. I proceed in doing basically all the same with all my nails. So I definitely think that you should apply 2 layers of the product. I did this way because 1 layer is not enough. You can still have some see-through or some line actually, and that's how it look like all the hand with 2 layers already dry. And now I will use some top velour or top matte, and I will apply, I'm using this one of NTN, and I will apply it all over all my nails basically. Turn upside down before dry it, and that's how it look like with the matte top coat. And for the hearts I choose some pinks or dark pinks, some reds, some white, and can be hybrid, gel, polish or paint gel. Here all my nails how they look like matte. I will use the Mylee multi-tool because I have like the brush from one part and the dotting tool from the other part, and I will start creating my French hearts, or heart French. With the dotting tool, I basically doing these little tiny dots, and I helping myself with this thin art brush to basically create all the heart. I keep in one brush just for the white, so that I don't have to clean the brush every single time, and I just keep in one for the reds. And every heart that I'm creating, when I'm done, I just dry it few seconds in the lamp, or actually I'm using my flash cube lamp that you saw. And let's act like no one has saw that I have like some dry gel polish under my nails. I feel it's important to give a justification for that, but I not really have a proper one, except that I didn't notice that, and I noticed that when it was dry, and yeah, that just happened. So sorry for that, girls, but sometimes not everything can come perfect, and yeah, I hope you will enjoy it anyways. By the way, if something like that happened, you can totally fix it. You can take your e-file and file it very gently, being careful to not make any other damage. As you see, every time I create in the heart, I make sure to draw it in the lamp, because if you will make some mistake, you know, you wanna just clean off, remove just what was the mistake, not everything. So that's why it's better to dry it every time. When I'm done, I dry everything in the lamp for 60 seconds, and then with nail wipes and cleaner, I clean the sticky layers from each of the nails. Because I will not apply any extra top coat, I will leave them like that. So it is important that the sticky layer is off, and I promise that you will not have, they will not peel off. Nothing will happen to them. They will totally stay there. So that's an example. You can totally do nail art with gel polishes. Now I'm applying cuticle oil on all the nails. And I'm removing the excess of the oil, because you don't need to have all these oils on your hand, and I do it in this way from the outside of your nail to the inside of your finger, in particular if you have like matte top coat, so you will not have the shiny effect. And here how they look like, my pink and hearts French Valentine nails. I honestly think these are adorable. I absolutely like them. They're super cute. I think you can create this set on also long nail, shorter nails. It really doesn't matter. I wanted to create them actually on long extension, but in the end I choose to remove them and to work on my natural nails. And
don't forget to give it a like to this video if you like it, and subscribe to my channel, and thank you again so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!